Hi friends, welcome to Smile Nursing tutorial. Today we are going to see the multiple choice questions in midwifery. First, what is meaning of midwife? Answer is nurse with women. Second, definition of midwifery is taking care of the woman and child. Father of obstetrics is Soranus. Next question. Which technology can help women who are unable to conceive have a child? Dash. In vitro fertilization. What is the meaning of maternal mortality? Dash. Death of the mother from the pregnancy to the childbirth. Next, what is low birth weight? Dash. Less than 2500 grams. Weight of the baby. Maternity care today is dash. Professional. Father of embryology. Dash. Aristotle. The 17th century is known as dash. Age of enlightenment. Next, the 18th century is known as dash. Age of reason. Thank you for watching this video. Next, we'll meet with another lesson.